Hello everyone. In our last class we have learned about divisibility rules, and in particular we have learned about the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In today's class we will be learning about the divisibility rules for 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, and yesterday we have seen like even the bigger numbers, how we'll divide it by using simple tricks we have found out. Okay, today we'll learn about few other the same things. Okay, with different numbers. Okay, first we'll learn about divisibility rule for 7. Taking the numbers of units place, double it and subtract it from the remaining number. If that number is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible. Then the whole number is divisible by 7. Okay, for example, it is 343. Okay, what you have to do is you have to take the number which is in units place. Okay, this is units, tens and hundreds. We know that, isn't it? Here the number is in units place. You have to double it. That means 3 into 2. Any number you have to just double it. Okay, so what you get is 6. Okay, now this number just keep it aside, and whatever you got as a double the number, you have to subtract this number from the remaining number. That is 34 minus 6. What do you get? That is 28, isn't it? So this 28 is divisible by 7 or not? Obviously yes, that is 7 4s are 28. Therefore the number 343 is also divisible by 7. Let's just verify it. 7 4s are 28, 6 3, 7 9s are 63. Therefore the number 343 is divisible by 7. In simple, you have to take the number in the units place, you have to double it, and you have to subtract the doubled number from the remaining number. You will get the you can go for the test now. Okay, then divisibility rule for 8. If the last 3 digits form a number that is divisible by 8, then okay. Right. For this number, to check whether it is divisible by 8, what you have to do is, you have to take this number, 864. Okay, check whether 864 is divisible by 8 or not. 8 ones are 8, 64, like 8 8s are 64. Of course, obviously the number. Therefore, this number is divisible by 8. The last 3 digits number is divisible by 8. Hence, this number is also divisible by 8. Okay, now divisibility rule for 9. Okay, the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9. For example, let us assume the same number: 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. Okay, what is this? Now 10 plus 8 18 18 plus 7 is 25 25 plus 5 is 30. Is 30 divisible by 9? No. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 9? Okay. Therefore, for example, you just assume 90. We all know that it is divisible by 9. Okay. 9 plus 0. The sum of the number is 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 9 is also divisible by 9. Okay. 89. Okay. 189. 1 plus 8 plus 9. That is 9 plus 9, 18. If 18 is divisible by 9, then 189 is also divisible by 9. Okay, this is the divisibility rule for 9. Next, divisibility rule for 10. If any number ends with 0, then the whole number is divisible by 10. Okay, we all know that if a number ends with 0, it can be divisible by 5 and also it can be divisible by 10. Okay, these are the divisibility rules for 7, 8, 9 and 10. For 7, we have to take the last number, the number which is in units place, double it and subtract it from the remaining number. Then if that number is divisible by 7, then the whole number will be divisible by 7. For divisibility 8, what you have to do is, the last 3 digit numbers, whatever the digits formed by the last numbers, if it is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, divisibility rule for 9. If the sum of the digits, if the sum of the all the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If any number ends with 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Okay, this is all about the divisibility rules. We have divisibility rules for different numbers also. We'll be learning in further classes. Thank you.